Hi everyone, it's Anna here, and today we're diving into something pretty exciting. Content Studio now has its very own MCP. So you may be wondering what MCP is. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, it means that it can connect your AI agents to any app that you use in your daily routine. So that means no more wasting time switching between platforms. You can just give a command or a prompt to the AI agent you are using and it will generate, manage, and schedule your post inside Content Studio.
Okay, first things first, make sure you've downloaded the Claude Desktop app and signed in to your account. That's our starting point. Next, you'll need the Content Studio MCP file. I'll drop the link to it in the description below so you can grab it easily. Once it's downloaded, head into Settings, then Extension, then Advanced Setting, and click on Install Extension. Select the file that you just downloaded and Claude will install the extension. Now, it's going to ask for authentication, basically your API key. You'll find that inside your Content Studio account under Profile Setting and API Keys. Just generate a new key, copy it and paste it back into the Claude desktop and hit save. And that's it. Just flip the enable toggle and boom, you're connected. To test it out, start a new chat in Claude and ask it to list your Content Studio accounts. If it shows them, you know you're good to go. Quick note for the Mac users, if you hit any npm errors during installation, it's usually just a permission issue. All you need to do is clear your npm cache. Run this command in the terminal, replacing your username with your own, and that should fix it.
Alright, now that we're connected, let's actually test this out with a real use case. So let's say I want to plan my LinkedIn post for the next entire month and I don't want to waste time writing and scheduling them one by one. Instead, I'll just give Claude a prompt through Content Studio MCP. You can make your prompt as detailed as you want, it's up to you. So it is fetching my workspaces and it will ask me in which workspace I would like to create it. So I'll let it know. So the next step is basically understanding what account it needs to go on in that particular workspace. So other than that, it doesn't need to know anything more if your Claude is trained as per your requirements. So it will just start creating the post in that prompt style. But if you want to be very specific or you want to send a prompt about the themes, you can do that here as well. Just stop it and give it proper instructions. Then it will just take a few minutes to create all the 15 posts, and then once all of these posts are created, it will schedule them. So if you open any post, you can see the post details, when it was scheduled and the date.
Once that's it generates the posts and schedules them directly into my planner. Then I can now open the Content Studio app and see everything lined up for the month in my planner.
So that's the use case of using MCP server to connect Content Studio to your AI agents. You can generate, plan, and schedule posts all within that AI agent and don't have to open Content Studio at all. So thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.